Hi everybody, it's me, Kelly, and before I go off and start anything else, the first thing I want to do is say thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you for helping me reach my 500 subby mark. I never thought in a million years I would be where I am now. And my channel, even though my channel is old, I've only been doing videos for a couple months. Whether you subscribe to my channel because you like my videos, or you subscribe because you want a chance at, the giveaway that I'm about to give, just know that I'm very grateful. Okay. I love doing giveaways. I do giveaways all the time. I haven't yet, well, I did at my 300. My 500. I'll do another at 750 and then another at 1,000. But then even in the middle between those, I have a couple challenges, and in my Facebook group, Coffee Cup Crafts and Conversation, we have an event every day where all you have to do is make a post. And each month, the people who participated in the event, I do a drawing, and then they win something. So I love crafting, I love giving things away, and I love meeting new people. And again, I want to tell you thank you, thank you, thank you from the bottom of my heart. Now, these are the folks. Your name will be on the list. If you see a name more than once, it means they've shared the video to more than one place. Okay, so I'm going to slowly roll this paper by you, and you can see if your name is on there. I'm sorry if it's kind of blurry. Okay, so we're going to do a random.org, and I'm going to do that on my phone so I can show you. Let me see, where am I? Not there. Okay, so we have 69 numbers. So let's open that up, and we're going to, now I've got, since there was more than 30 people, I've got a second prize, and I will show the second prize during this video. But if you want to know what the first prize is, you're going to have to go to my 500 subby video and check out what's in the first prize box, okay? So right now I'm going to, and I've even got this turned over, so I don't know whose numbers is who. I'm hitting, okay, 1 minimum, max 69. This is the first time I've ever used this, so please. Okay, my first number is, can you see that, is 36. Okay, so this is for first prize. Let's see who is 36. Bethany is joyful. Look, you're number 36. So you won the first prize package for my giveaway. Congratulations, Bethany. Okay, so let me write that down. Bethany, I know we're in a couple of different groups together, so PM me with your address, and I will send that box out as soon as I can. So Bethany won first place. Congratulations, girl. Okay, now this is what the second place winner is going to get. When you open the box, this is what you see. See, it's not a small box, but this is what you see. You get a big burlap sunflower. You get a little bunch of sunflowers. There's going to be a bag of puzzle pieces. And the pièce de résistance is a mini journal I made. And I even tucked some more goodies in it. And I'm not sure if I did this one on a video or not. Might have been one of the videos. Okay. But this is what second place is going to get. There's a lot of goodies tucked in here. See, a lot of goodies. A lot of pockets. These are some of my painting papers. In fact, a lot of these are my painting papers that I did on the jelly plate or just on watercolor paper. See, there's more pockets with more goodies. And paper clips that are just holding pieces on. So almost everything in here you can take out and use whichever way you like. And you can redecorate the journal any way you want. So nothing is permanent except the pockets, of course. Okay, and you got some paper clips and some tags. Some painting flowers. Yeah. This one you've got some more goodies tucked in. Right here, there's some tags, some puffy stickers, the Eiffel Tower, purple tag that you can decorate yourself. Okay. There's a little thing of Christmas stamps. And the last little pocket has a bunch of little goodies in there for you too. Okay? So, whoever gets this one is going to get a nice little surprise too. So, let me put this back in here. And I'll put this on one side. And this on another. And we'll put the burlap sunflower right on top. Alrighty. Let's see if we can get this closed. I know we can. I know, suspense, right? Okay, so this is for second prize. Again, these are down. If I pick Bethany again, obviously I'm going to redraw, okay? So, random generator, 1 through 69, and here we go. Okay, second place is 22. Wait, can you see that? Okay, so that's second place winner. So, who's number 22? Christy Essen! Look, you're number 22! So you get the second place. Awesome sauce, girl. Congratulations. And to let you know for further giveaways, you know, I do if there's more than 30 people, then I'll give a second. But if there's more than like 50, I'll do 3 giveaways, that type of thing. So, congratulations, Bethany and Christy. And I'm so glad for you guys. I'm so glad for your friendship and your support. But this was the winnings, and you guys helped me get there. So thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And I want you guys to have a wonderful week. Okay? And I will see you on the flip side. Remember, always keep the humor in life. Because if not, life sucks. Okay? And never be afraid to art yourself silly. All right. Bye, guys.